Downward facing dog. From all fours, curl your toes under and reach your tailbone towards the sky behind you to lengthen your spine. Feet are hip-width apart or wider. Draw tailbone up and back. Press your chest towards your thigh bones. Abdominals draw up and in, and shoulders draw away from the ears. Bring your ears in line with your biceps. Bring your gaze between your feet or your knees. Slowly straighten your legs. Hold the pose and take 5 slow, full breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend your knees to come down on all fours and sit back on your heels.